Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm driving right now, and I'm looking around, and all I see is truck drivers. And I see truck drivers hauling our goods. I see them going to the different distribution centers, dropping things off. All I see is truckers. And I'm just so honored and grateful to be in this industry amongst some of the most amazing men and women on planet Earth. I'd just like to give a gratitude, a shout out to all the truck drivers out here away from their families, away from their friends, away from their kids, doing the things that some of us wouldn't do.